Hey guys, I want to add a little bit more on the previous video we did, but I want to add a little bit more on the community. All right. So in community again, it is where, not just where, close. Okay. It'll show you video, videos you have not responded to. So you go in here, respond to them. Okay. Respond, or you can engage in your videos. Mentions is like if you mention somebody else, a channel that you care about a lot, that's great. But back to comments again, it also, I know I mentioned, so I did a video on this before, but I also just want to mention that into community, or if you're not doing your own comments, you can also have a moderator to respond. Maybe you have a channel manager or whatever that can respond to your videos for you instead of you. All right, so I just want to go ahead and mention that so that you guys know that if you assign somebody to your channel, your moderator can also do that for you here in this community. And again, you can sort your videos by your most relevant, anything you want to do to them. You just hit apply. So this is the whole section here that I wanted to add that in, as mentioned before, that I want to mention it because if you have a community moderator or a manager, whatever, or managing your website, your YouTube channel, you want to go ahead and this gives them the ability to answer your videos for you, give you a thumbs up, whatever. All right, so I just wanted to note that about the in the community section, that you can also hire your community manager or moderator to respond to videos for you. Okay.